Ready? Paragraph. Start. Education is one of the important sectors of the country. Almost all the people agree that the future of the country depends upon the progress in the field of education. But unfortunately, whenever there is a change in the government, either at the center or at the state level, the sector that is touched upon first was education. However, no government was in a position to achieve its objectives. This is not only because of the hasty decisions but also of the shortcomings in the implementation of the policies and programs of the government. The basic requirements of the field of education are good curriculum, committed teachers, physical facilities, and timely supply of textbooks. In the name of modernization of education, the curriculum is being changed frequently by the government. As a result of this, the students are put to a lot of hardship during their 10-year period of secondary education. Moreover, very often it is commented upon that the modified curriculum should be helpful for development of the required skills, abilities, values, and interest among the students. Thus, the curriculum must help for development of integrated personality of all the students. Then only the aims and objectives of education as well as curriculum can be achieved. Para another important aspect of education is committed teachers. Generally, most of the schools are not well equipped with the qualified and committed teachers who are really interested in the education of the student. A good number of teachers are interested in their own salaries, personal welfare, and in extra earnings getting through various other means like private tuitions, valuation of papers, doing some business, etc. They are also interested in staying in their own native places so that they will be able to look after their property. Apart from this personal gain, they can also indulge themselves in local politics, and when time comes, some of them would prefer to join some political party, leaving the teaching profession. On the whole, very few teachers are really interested in their own professional growth, and others are otherwise busy with some non professional activities. If this kind of situation is allowed to continue forever, I am afraid it would not be possible for the country to develop educationally and economically even after 2 decades to come. There is therefore an urgent need to select the right type of teachers who are really interested. Stop.